Okay, now I know some of y'all don't get to watch all our videos all the way through. Something comes up and you have to go somewhere, something you have to do. But I just wanted you to see what the finished product is right here if you don't get to stick around and see the end of it. So you ought to stick around and see the end of it because it's pretty interesting the way we got this way. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Hello, welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today I thought we'd make us some salmon patties here. Now this is royal pink wild Alaskan salmon patties. I mean salmon, so we'll go see how that works out. We'll put about half of this onion in here. This is about a medium onion, and so we're going to use about half of it and chop it up. Or actually, we've already used some up, so let's say we're going to use a quarter of this medium onion. We'll have an egg we'll go put in there. We'll put a couple of stalks of celery in it. We'll go use these four seasoned breadcrumbs. So, well, let's get started with it and see how long it takes. Okay, now first I'm going to cut this onion here. You can see about how much I'm cutting. You know, so there, and we'll use about that much onion in there. And that's probably 3/4 of an inch thick. That's maybe ½ inch thick, but that's what we're going to use in it. And then we'll use these two stalks of celery. Now, we've washed all this celery already. And so all we got to do is cut it here. Now let's chop it up in some pretty small pieces. Don't forget, don't stick your fingers out there and under that knife blade now. Keep them tucked in. I got a friend that used to stick his fingers under the knife blade like that. Now they call him Stubby. Thought you might want to know that. So don't stick your fingers under that knife blade when you're chopping like this. Alright, now cut that. And I'm gonna chop that up in actually smaller pieces than that. Come over here and do this onion about the same way. Now I know there's 1,000 different ways to chop this up, and I know I'm doing it wrong, so y'all do it ever how you know to do it best. Now I'm just going to get me a bigger knife here and just get this stuff all chopped up pretty fine. Now we'll do the celery the same way. So we'll be back when we finish this. Okay, now I got all this over here diced up pretty fine. Now we'll go up in this, the star of the show, this royal pink salmon here. Dump it right in this. I've got a pretty shallow bowl here. I'm going to dump it all right down in there. Okay, now some people leave this in, but we always like to take it out. We'll take this bones out right here. As many as I can get out without throwing too much of the fish away. Tastes good. Alright, now we'll go get this skin off. Okay, now the boss said we need a bigger bowl, so we got this glass bowl here, and so I'm going to scoop his celery and onions up, put down in here. Just like that. Now, okay, now I'm going to take some of this LAWRY'S seasoning salt and put in here. Not a whole lot, you know, just more or less season it to your taste. Right, now we'll take some of this 4C breadcrumbs. Okay, now we'll put this egg in this bowl right here. Okay, I'll beat them up, whip them all around. Dump it right in there. Right, now, I'm going to take some of these 4C breadcrumbs here and just going to sprinkle a little bit, ever so slightly down in there like that. Now I'm going to start stirring it all up, mix it all up. Okay, now I added some more breadcrumbs because it's not stiffening up enough for me. So I think this is going to do it here. So that'd be a quarter of a cup of breadcrumbs. I don't think I'll need anything else. If I need anything else, I'm going to put a little bit of flour in it. But I think, which you could use flour besides these breadcrumbs if you wanted to. It's just these 4C seasoned breadcrumbs. Gives it a real good flavor. But like I say, if you don't think you would like this, you could just use flour. Yeah, that's coming along pretty good now, finally. Okay, now I've got this round parchment paper here. I'm going to put it in the bottom of my Ninja FOODi Deluxe basket. It fits in there just like that. It does real well. And so we'll get the patties ready now to set down in there. Okay, I'll make a little patty here. I'll make it about like that. Come down here and just get some of these breadcrumbs and put on top of it. Sort of pat them in, move them around like that. And turn it over. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Like that. Move him around, he gets just exactly the way you want him. And let him go down into the Ninja FOODi Deluxe. Alright, now, we'll do the rest of them and I'll be back. Okay, now we'll set this basket down inside this Ninja FOODi Deluxe here. And I'm going to take my pound cooking spray here and I'm going to spray just a light amount on top of them. That'll help them brown up and crisp and everything. Okay, and finally we're going to shut the lid on this Ninja FOODi here and we're going to turn on the power. We'll leave it on air crisp there, and we're going to leave it at 390. We're going to drop the time down to 10 minutes. We'll probably have to adjust it one way or the other, but I'd rather undercook it and have to do something than overcook it and can't do anything. And while y'all got a second, if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure would appreciate it. And thank you very much to all you people who watches our videos. It means a lot to us. If you get a chance, check out our links down below. You might see something like down there you like from Amazon. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, now it's coming up on 7 seconds left here on this first 10-minute cook, and we're going to take a look and see what it looks like. Raise the top. And they're really starting to look nice. I don't think... Yeah, they're not quite firm enough yet for me to try to turn. That little one right there is getting there. Okay, so I'm going to put them in there for another 5, and we'll take a look at it. Of course, I won't leave them in there without looking at them that long, you know, but now we'll shut the door. Now we're going to leave it on 390. We're going to come over here and hit the time button again. We'll go down to, I'll just go ahead and put another 10 on it and hit the start button, and I'll keep a check on it, because we don't want to get overdone. Okay, now we're going to attempt to turn these things over because they're looking pretty good now. Get them up like that, them two stuck together, of course. Alright, now we got them turned. I'm going to put just a little bit of spray on this side of them, help them crisp up a little bit. Alright, now we're going to shut the lid back and it's going to start running again automatically, so we'll be back in a minute. Okay, now we just took a look at them. They look like they're about done, so we're going to take a couple out here and see what they're like. Okay, and that's about it for this little video. We've got 5 here, and you know we started out with 6, but 1 got sampled to death, so we kept on sampling on it to see if they were done, so it got gone. Yes, I reckon it was done enough for us to eat. But so till next time, I hope y'all have a real good and safe day. I hope you come back and see us real soon, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay away from everybody. And watch YouTube videos, watch our YouTube videos, and come back and see us real soon. Now this is a pretty simple recipe. Took a little bit longer than I thought because it took 18 minutes to cook it completely. You know, 15 on one side and another 3 or 4 on the other side. And so, till next time, y'all have a real good day now. Goodbye.